Good morning, students. In the previous class, we are doing exercise 5.4, and it will be the last exercise of this square and square roots. And that in that we have completed 3 of the questions, and we'll do the 4th one now. So what is the question now? Find the least number. Least means the smallest number. Least means smallest number, which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. For example, 39 is a number. 39 is a number. If I ask you what should be subtracted from 39 to get a perfect square, so you will easily say, sir, 36 is a square. 36 is a perfect square. So that we have to subtract 39 minus 36. You can easily get the perfect square. In the same way, if the calculation will be done, then how we are going to do it? Okay, now also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. Okay, let us do the first one. That is, first one is 402. First one is 402. Now you know the method by division method. Now there are 3 numbers, means odd number. So 1 and 2. So now 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 0 0. Take 0 2 as down. So 2 as down here. 2 plus 2, 4. Okay now. So now what should be written here? What should we write? What should we write here to get a perfect square? What should we write here? Now 0 2 is there. 0 2. Now what should we get here? So let us write 0 here. Okay. So 40 into 0 is how much? 0 is. So 0 0 0. So again what we get? 2. So if we want to take the next number, what should we do? Now you can see here, we get after 20, what we get remainder as 2. So what we get remainder as 2. So here you have to write, to make 402 as perfect square, we have to subtract, what is the remainder? 2. We have to subtract 2 from the given number. What is that? That is 402. It means, therefore, perfect square will be is equal to 402 minus 2, that is 400. That is 400. Therefore, and the third question is, so what will be the square root of 400? Square root of 400. It is already there here. That is 20. It's already here. Square root of 400 is 20. So if you multiply 20 into 20, you will get 400. So this is how you have to do this one. Let us do the second one now. So I will write here down, square root of 400 is equal to 20. Now the second question. 1989. Okay. The next number is 1989. Same thing again, you have to do it 2 2. Now 4 4s are 16. How much remaining? 3. So you have to take it down, 89. Add 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So whatever you are going to write, you have to write here only. So you have to check it. So first of all, let us try for 3. 80, if you write 3 here, again you have to write 3 here. 83, 3 is how much? 3 is 9, 3 is 24. This is a big number. Okay, let us do it. 4. 4. 4 4 is 16, 1, 8 4 32, 33. Okay, this is little bit near to it. Let us take next number, 85 into 5. 5 5 is 25, 2, 5 8 is 40, 42. This is bigger number. So this is near number, isn't it? So now you have to write, what is the number? 4. 4 here, 4. 84, 4 is how much? 336. So what is left here? 3, 5, 53. So now, therefore you can say, subtract 53 from 1989 to get perfect square. Perfect square. So that is 1989 minus 53 is how much? 6, 3, 9, 1936. 1936. Therefore, the square root of 1936 is how much? Here it is. 44. If you multiply 44 into 44, you will get 1936. So this is how we have to do it. Now let us do the next example, third one. So I will try to solve as many as examples so that you will understand so how this thing has been done. 3250. The next one is 3250. Third one is 3250. Again, you need to remember the division method. So these are 4 numbers, so two at a time. 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36. So you cannot take 6 6s, so you have to take 5 5s. 5 5s are 25. It is 7, it becomes. Take 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. So take it 5 0 down. Now 750. So whatever you are going to write here, you have to write here. Now already 10 is there. Take it 6. 6 6 are 36. 3 6 1 are 6 6 36. Let us take 7 7 7 7 are 49. 4 7 are 7. 749. 749. So 107, here also 7. How much it is? 749. So 1 remaining. So now you have to write, subtract. If you get any number in the new remainder as remainder, it means the given number is not a perfect square. The given number is not a perfect square. And if we get the remainder as 0, it means the given number is a perfect square. Always remember this word. If we get any number in the remainder, it means the given number is not a perfect square. And if we get 0 as the remainder, it means the given number is a perfect square. So now subtract, here we get 1, it means subtract 1 from 3250 so as to get a perfect square. Perfect square. That is 3250 minus 1 is 3249. And therefore the square root of 3249 is how much? This is, that is 57. This is the way we have to do it. Now let us do the next one. Fourth one now. Now 825, that is 825. Now there are three numbers here. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So you can take 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are 8 minus 4 is 4. To add, it will become 4. Take 25. Now it is 425. So whatever you just think about it, 4 is already there. 48 za, 8 8 za, let us say. 8 8 za, 64, 6, 32, 38, 384. So we'll take 49 9 za, 9 9 za, 81, 8, 4 and the 36 plus 8 is 44. It is a little bit bigger. So this will be okay. So 48 8 za, how much it is? 384. 1 3 0. So 31. So now again, right? Therefore subtract 31 from 825 to get a perfect square. Subtract. So whatever the remainder will be there, you have to subtract this number from the given number, that is 825. So as to get a perfect square. So what will be the perfect square now? So that is 825 minus 31. That is 7. How much it is? 7. So you can subtract here. 4, 7, 9, 794. 794. Therefore, square root of 794 is equal to how much it is? 28. 28. So this is how we have to do this example. Now, this is what about question number 4. Now, let us do the next example, that is fifth example. Fifth one. Question number 5. Just write it down. Okay. Okay. Find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. So now in the fourth example, we have to subtract the number. In the fifth, we have to add the numbers. That is how we have to do it now. How to add it. Okay now. Now let us try it another example. Write down the first example. Okay, the first one now. First one is what? 525. The first one is 525. 525. Method is same. Every time what you have to do? You have to use the division method. You have to use the division method. Now again there are three numbers, odd numbers. So now 2 2s are 4. 1. So 25, take it down. So add same number here, it becomes 4. So whatever you are going to write here, same thing you have to write here. Okay now. So now Now 40 40 3s are 3 are 9, 3 4s are 129. So it will be a little bigger. 42 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So now we'll write 42 2s are. How much it is? 84. Now subtract. How much it is? 1, 2, 4. This is now how much it is? 0. So now 41 will be there. 41 will be there. Now look here. Now the square of 22 is what? Now this number, the 525. So 525 is little less, little more than, how much it is more than? It is 41. If it is 525, if you subtract 41, then you will get a square root as 22. If you want to get square root 23, it will be little more. So now how to get it? So first of all, you need to remember. So now we already got. So 22 square. 22 square is less than 525. So 22 square is less than 525. Okay. And the next perfect square will be 23 square. Next perfect square will be 23 square. So what is the square of 23? So you need to remember 23 into 23 is how much? So 529. 23 square is 529. How much it is? 529. 23 square is 529. Therefore, what you have to do? Therefore, how much add? How much we have to add? We have to add 23 square minus, how much it is? 529. 529. 23 square minus 529, that is how much? 23, 525 it is, 525. So 23 square is 529 minus 525. 529 minus 520. How much it is? How much it is? So it will be 4 only. It will be 4 only. It will be 4 only. For example, see now if it is, see in place of 2, if you take 43, how much it is? 129. So how much we got? So it is 125 we get. We got 125. If it in place of 125, if you have 129, the number will be 129. Therefore, see now you get 4. Therefore, the answer you have to write is, therefore, what is the minimum number you have to add? So you have to add, find the least number which must be added. Therefore, 4 should be added to 529 so as to get a perfect square. That is 529 plus 4, that is 529. Therefore, the square root of 529 is the next number of this, that is 23. So now you will understand another example. Will solve it. You will definitely understand the next number. Always, whatever you get here, when we use the division method, whatever we get here, this is 22. 22. It means what you have to take? You have to take the next number. What will the next number of 22? That will be 23. In the same way, if you take the 23 square, that will be the given number will be less than that. 23 square is always more than this number. So If you add that number to the given number, you will get the perfect square. Okay, the next example, we solve it and you will understand it. Okay. So what is the next example? Next example, 1750. Okay. Now the second example. 1750. Okay, now slowly we'll do it now. Now 4 4s are 16. So how much remaining? 1 remaining. Take 50. 4, add it here, it becomes 8. Now 82 2s are 160. It is, let's say, forget it. So take it 1 only. 80. 81. So 9 it becomes 6, it becomes 0. 69 it becomes. Now, what is this number? 41. So, square of next number of 41 is what? 42. So, what you have to write? 40. Now you have to write 41 square is less than 1750. The 41 square is less than 1750. Or you can the 1750, the number is given. It is more than the square of this number. Now what we want? 42 square. So 42 square is how much? 42 into 42. That is, so you can multiply anywhere. 42 into 42. 84, 8, 168, 176. So 1764 it is. 1764. So what you have to do? Therefore 42 square minus 1750. So whatever number this is equal to, this is equal to, how much it is? 1764 minus 1750. How much you get? 14. How much get? 14. 1764, 1750 already there. 14. So therefore, to get perfect square, we have to add 14 to 1750. That is 1750 plus 14. That is 14 is 1764. So square root of 1764 is, how much it is? 42 square. That is 42. Square root of 1764 is 42. This is how you have to do the example. Next one, I will do the third one now. Just remember one thing. In the previous example, in the fourth question, what we did? We subtracted this number from the given number. 1750 minus 69. Now what we are doing here? We are taking the next square, that is whatever we get here by division, and we have to take the next square of this number, next square. That is, if it is 41, you have to take 42. If it is 11, you have to take 12. If it is 21, you have to take 22 square. And after that, taking that square, and you have to subtract the given number from that, and that will be the difference. Whatever the difference you get, that will be added to the given number, and that will be the square of the given number. Okay, this is how we have to do it now. Now let us do the next example. $18.25. Okay, we'll do it $18.25. The next number is $18.25. $18.25. Again, the same method you have to use. 4 4s are 16. What remains? 2 remains. Take it 25, add 4, it becomes 8. So whatever you write here, 83 3s are, it becomes bigger number. 82 2s are 164. 146 shown. Now we get 61. Now we know 42 square is less than 1825. Therefore, so 43 square, next number. How much it is 43 square? That is 43 into 43. How much it is? 43 into 43. These are 9, 3 4 are 12. 4 3 are 12, 1, 4 4 16 and 17. 9 4 8 1. That is 1849. Therefore, 43 square minus 1825, that is equal to 1849 minus 1825. That will be how much? 24. Therefore, 24 to be added to 1825 to get a perfect square. Perfect square. Perfect square. That is 1825 plus 24. That is 1849. Therefore, the square root of 1849 is 43. This is the way you have to do it. Okay. Now the last example is there. You just need to remember. How to do division method. 6412. Last one is 6412. 6412. Now again 2 2. 8 8s are 64. Now 0 is there. 8 8 16. How much it is? Take 12. Less than this, put 0 here. Put 0 here. So now 80. So what is the balance here? 12 here. 12 here. So now again same thing. 80 square is less than 6412. Therefore 81 square is equal to how much it is? 81 into 81. 1 1 is 1, 8 is 8 1 is 8, 8 is 64. 1 16 5 6 6 5 6 1 6 5 6 1. Therefore 81 square minus 6412, that is equal to 6561 minus 6412. 6412, how much it is? 8941 is equal to 149. 149. So you have to write 149 to be added to 6412 to get a perfect square. That is 6412 plus 149. That is 6561. Therefore, square root of 6561 is equal to how much? 81. So this is the way you have to do this example. Now the next question, that is question number 6. We'll move to the next question, that is question number 6. So what is the question? Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meters square. So the remaining examples we can do in the next example, that is tomorrow, and that will be the last day of the square and square roots. Okay now. Thank you very much. Try to do the remaining examples which I left for you, and try to do 6, 7, 8, 9, these 4 examples, and they are very simple. Just try to understand the question first, read the questions twice and try to understand it. If you could do it, it's very fine. Otherwise, tomorrow I am going to complete this exercise and the topic also. Okay, thank you. Good day.